Just 6'1".
Go USA!
Carlik Jones. 26 years of
Tatlo
age.
lang lamang nyo.
Pro in Serbia unless
Edwards.
team grabs it.
Ablay,
Edwards way
duturo.
off. Long rebound Tatum.
Adi Tatum. Karte mo.
Reset
Kalbo
it
libre
down
oh.
to 5.
Ayaw.
Has to go.
Adi Tatum.
launches.
Ablay rin.
Davis working
Foul.
hard on the glass. A
Okay,
foul
foul.
on the floor. Royale Ivy for South Sudan.
Libre. Nice one. Adi Tatum.
Celtic teammate Derek
92,
White.
97. Ang ano, dinidikitan sila ng Sudan ah.
4 dimes
Maraming
for
Sudan
Derek
din to
White
ah.
in just this half.
Bubuga rin ah. Huli. Backcourt.
They got a
Foul.
foul reaching by Davis.
Late call.
Garden, I know Josh Hart is rolling his eyes about the rebounding thing somewhere, rightfully so. But White right up there in terms of rebounding and shot blocking for guards in the NBA. Jones,
Uy.
Hezzy, the drive against Davis.
Yung dribble yun ah.
Cole, tight roping the
Hindi.
baseline. Good defense by Tatum. It is on target for Deng. Rebounded
one.
by Adebayo.
Push,
3
push na.
minutes left in a 5-point United States lead.
Pants really held
Wala
the
si
ball
Lolo Bron
well.
tsaka si Kerry sa loob ah. Nice pass by Calbo. Magaling talaga mamasa to si Calbo eh. Kaya talaga kinuha to pinapamalit kay Kawhi Leonard eh.
Republic of
Ay.
Sudan.
What?
Jones, the Hezzy, Davis,
Si AD pa sinubukan mo ah. Si AD pa sinubukan mo pare. Alimaw sa depensa yan sa ilalim. Diyos ko ka. Para ka nagtampo sa bigas yan.
Shot block for Anthony Davis.
Kerry oh. Kerry and Lolo Bron connection.
President and current assistant
The best
coach
connection.
for South Sudanese basketball. There they are.
Uy, si Deng oh.
Royale has been the head coach for the last 3 years. We'll head back to Houston after the Olympics to start his
Kerry.
run
Kerry.
as an
Oop,
assistant
oop.
coach for Ime
Oop.
Udoka.
Napunta pa kay Lolo Bron.
James
Binalik kay Kerry. Lolo Bron to Kerry. Ay, tungo na sayang.
to
Lolo Bron to Kerry connection na eh.
Good
Hindi pa
decision.
pumasok oh. Okay lang, okay lang. Sayang, gandang pasa na lang.
a triple-double for South Sudan.
Yari kay Calbo, pre. Magaling dumipensa yan si Calbo, par. Oh, di ba?
Did not take
Pinasa
advantage
mo,
of the
takot
small
ka rin.
White.
Uy! Uy!
Good defense by
Ba,
LeBron
sumusubo
James.
kay Lolo Bron ka, ha? Sumusubo ka pa kay Lolo Bron, ha?
Effort on a defensive
Alam mo,
end.
ha? Edward, sumalaksak.
Drives it, kicks it.
Pinasa kay Kerry.
Fouls it against Carlik Jones.
Ganda na pasa, ganda na pasa ulit. Ay, putang ina, kay Calbo pa na punta.
Good D.
Naku, libre.
Shayok in
Ay!
transition, his 6th triple of the game.
Apat na lang,
And this
time out.
game's not over just yet. The Dream Team is still
Titig pa yung
the gold
Sudan, ah.
standard, but could be arguably the best roster.
Basket naman tayo, kaya rin, ayan na, libre. Libre! Ay!
Curry misfires. This
Malas
is a
Kerry, ah.
game with 70 seconds left.
Malas Kerry, ah.
Great look for him.
Yari ka
too.
kay Lolo Bron, sige. Sige.
Jones against LeBron
Uy!
James.
Aba! Utragis ka, kinusabera mo si Lolo Bron ko ah. Nako,
This time he drives it.
nako,
finds
nako,
Jones.
libre na naman pare. Ang ganda ng release, buti sablay.
Shayok the offensive rebound. He'll
Sablay mo.
throw it up.
Ay! Utragis 97, 99, dalawa na lang.
Not going away.
Sisibakin pa yata USA dito, Gar ah. Delikado pa USA dito pag ganyan-ganyan ah.
Looking for still what would have been the biggest win in their very
Delegates pa USA dito. Buti na lang, mayroon silang Kerry, saka Lolo Bron. Kerry, nice pass.
Davis.
Nasa kay Calbo, sumasalaksak.
On the draw.
Teardrop, pasa kay AD, alley-oop daw, hindi pumasok! Ala, AD ka! Baba, AD!
For the lead.
AD, bumaba ka!
Who wants to be a
Nako.
hero? It's
Ala ka!
Dolan.
Gagi!
How about this team?
Sisibakin pa yata USA dito ah. Lolo Bron! Crazy time mo na yan, Lolo Bron! Lolo Bron, crossover, tumalaksak, lumayap, bang! Namikinan nyo! Lolo Bron ko papatalo? Ano ba kayo nahihibang? Lolo Bron ko yan. Kalabaw lang natanda, Gar. Ang daming star niyan. Si Lolo Bron lang kumana ah.
White defending it. Jones trying to get free.
Okay. Uy, gago, makakatira pa to. Buti si Drew Holiday. Drew!
Jones.
Ay! Ah! Ah! Ano? Gaging gandang laban, par! Pinahirapan sila ng South Sudan, ah! Muntik pa si Bakit din USA, pare! Bob Marley, oh! Kaso apat lang yung dreadlocks. Pasensya na, ha! Ni Lolo Bron ko kasi nandyan, eh! Walang balak magpatalo yan.